Hey guys, welcome back to Misfits Journal. I wanted to have a quick discussion about the overall effects alcohol, long-term alcohol use has on your brain.
How alcohol acts in the central nervous system is still poorly understood. Two of the best known effects of alcohol, however, are its actions on GABA and glutamate receptors. Alcohol increases GABA activity at a subtype of the GABA receptor known as GABA A. The mechanism by which this occurs is still not clear, but it is thought that alcohol may act as a positive allosteric modulator, meaning it binds to a site on the receptor that is separate from where GABA binds, and increases the effect GABA has when it binds to the receptor itself. The immediate effect of this action typically is the inhibition of neural firing. Alcohol also inhibits the activity of glutamate receptors. Again, the mechanism for this is not fully understood, but because glutamate is generally excitatory, inhibition by alcohol initially leads to the reduction of neural activity. A long list of other synaptic actions have been linked to alcohol, including but not limited to activation of serotonin receptors, enhancement of glycine receptor function, inhibition of adenosine reuptake, inhibition of calcium channels, activation of potassium channels, and modulation of nicotinic acetylcholine receptor function. It's not clear, however, how relevant each of these effects are to the human use of alcohol. There are also some large-scale effects associated with alcohol. For example, alcohol stimulates dopamine transmission in the mesolimbic dopamine pathway, an action thought to be associated with the reinforcement of alcohol consumption. Alcohol affects motor coordination and balance, potentially in part through its influence on neurons in the cerebellum. And it inhibits long-term potentiation and other mechanisms of synaptic plasticity in the hippocampus, which may contribute to its memory-disrupting effects.
Alcohol does to it and what that does to you.
The cerebral cortex is the wrinkly outer layer of your brain. It's divided into 4 sections called lobes. These lobes control a wide range of important functions having to do with your senses, your movements, and your thought processes. This gives you the ability to use your 5 senses, control your body, make decisions, and more.
As your cerebral cortex is slowed by the effects of alcohol, it makes it harder to perform the many tasks the cortex enables, making it difficult to do things like think clearly, make decisions, and control your movements. This is why it is illegal to drive drunk. People who drive drunk will have trouble perceiving and reacting to other cars in time to be safe on the road.
We need our cerebral cortex to run like a well-oiled machine at all times so we can stay smart and safe.
As a young person with a still developing brain, alcohol can have a stronger effect on you than on adults.
Learning the facts can help you make healthy decisions.
Now, I myself suffered from some of these effects and still do to this day, but certainly a lot more when I was first recovering. But it just goes to show you it's no joke. It will definitely get you one way or another. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.